Hi everyone, Melissa here from Creations, coming on today with my Creative Times 159th edition release, and it's Sneaky Peek Day 1 and the only day of sneaky peeks. Starting out, we have the Bear Valentine Ephemera, and this is super cute. I want to say there's approximately 96 in there. There's about four of each of the designs, if I'm not mistaken. But I love this. It's so cute, so adorable. Pretty much I used every bear except for this one right here, but that is just the cutest. I love them. And of course you have that little calendar there, love and XOXO, some flowers and some chocolates, box of chocolates, and the butterflies. Adorable, adorable. Next up, we're going to get into this paper. It's called Whisper Love 2026, and I love the pastel colors. They're so soft and really cute. Okay, let me just kind of show you everything. So this one has little roses on it with a little like watermark design. And we have some polka dots and two different colors running through there, kind of like a pastel pink and a little hint of orange there. We have some hearts with a little bit of watermark behind that, and this is like a check, almost like a gingham check almost, but I really like that one. I used that on one of my cards too. Didn't use this one, but really like that with all the hearts and the lines and the little gingham running through. Really pretty. And then there goes that back side, and it has like wording on there and a little bit of a watermark. And then here goes this one, has leaves and really small flowers. It's really pretty, so dainty. And then a little bit of like a gingham paper on the back side as well. Really cute. I use this paper as well, that one too. And then this one has polka dots with watermark, kind of gray, and then you have like a wood texture almost, really pretty. And then this one has that hint of green with roses running through there, really pretty. And I love this one. I think I didn't use this one, but really like it. And then on the back side it looks like handwritten papers on the back side of there. Love those. Okay, next up we're going to go to the stamp and dies. This is called Follow Your Heart, and it's really cute. Bear sentiments goes with those little Bear Valentine ephemera. Anyways, really pretty, and I like these. And of course, she has a little standard heart in the font of those. Really cute, and it also comes with the dies. This one's called Cute Card Stitched Heart Layers. So break out those cute card dies and you'll be able to use these with those. Really cute. I love it because it just cuts out the whole sheet of paper with an exclusion of the little hearts that are in the center, and you can always put those back into your die cut out. So really cute. And this one's called Lots of Hearts Plate. And really cute. Gonna give you a bunch of hearts all at once. One single cutout. And then I'll show you what I did with mine. We have the heart treat box die. And this one, it automatically seals at the top. So this one's really cute, kind of triangular. And you'll see mine in just a sec. But it's called the heart treat box. And then she finally brought back a mailbox. And I'm so excited because I was one of the ones that did not pick up the other mailbox, and so I was so excited to see that she had brought one back. And this one is adorable and is perfect to use as a card base because it's I want to say it's a 4 1/4 by 5, I think. So it's perfect for a card base. And you can turn it into a treat box, or just use the little mail there by itself. The little note cards, just too cute. This is called the Mailbox gift card holder die, so it's a gift card too. I was also wondering if a Ghirardelli chocolate could fit in there. I didn't try it, but definitely can use that, or the note cards from last month. They'll fit in there as well. Let's jump into the items that I used to create these projects with our previous releases. So what I did, I used the 5x5 card die layers, and I used this one here, and then this fits directly in the center of this one to make a card if you'd like. So that's what I did. And that's that Lots of Hearts plate die, and I used it with this 5x5 card layer dies. I also used the eyelet doily dies, and I used that small one. Pretty scallop heart dies, and I used this size there. And then I pulled out that cute card base die, and of course I used that with the extra layers that she added for us to use. So let's jump in and show you what I've made. So is the card that I made using the cute card stitched heart layer. I also used the little envelopes out of that MAILBOX die to put on here as well. And then I pulled from the sentiments, which was Follow Your Heart sentiments, I believe. Yes, they're called Follow Your Heart sentiments. And I use Sending Lots of Love, and I thought that was perfect to go with the envelopes. And then, of course, I added my little glitter on top of the bear and the little flowers, XOXO and the love. And then I layered it up on that paper that came with it, with all of the writing behind it. It's just so pretty. I love it. And then the inside, I just layered that right in the inside with another layer that went with the cute card dies. So really cute. I love how that turned out. Oh, and I did ink it up a little bit around the outside just to make it pop a little bit. So that was that one. And then using the Lots of Hearts die plate, I actually, like I said, used that 5x5 card base layer, and I popped that in the inside of there and cut it all out at once. And so everything just turned out perfectly. And then I recut the Lots of Hearts die plate, and I recut it out to get some different colors in there that I can layer on there. Use her ephemera with those little butterflies, and then there goes that cute little bear. Use the stamps to go right on top, and as well as the ephemera. I like it. And then the inside looks just like that. I love how this turned out. It's so pretty. And then of course with all of that sparkle on there, just looks so good. And then here is the card that I made using the MAILBOX gift card die. I really like how this turned out. I thought I would use the gray accent with the pink, and I thought it was perfect. I did use some glitter paper in the back. I also, once again, glittered up my little bear in February 14th, and this time I used just one of those little envelopes to just stick right in there, but you can stick a gift card in there. So I thought that was perfect. So if I want to change that out, like I said, I can stick a gift card in there, and all you do is just glue everything around the outside and leave enough room for the gift card in the center. I popped on You're the Very Best, and I just used that XOXO from the ephemera, put it right into the center of that heart. And this is a top folding card that you can just open right up there, and it just stands perfectly straight. I love how that turned out. Look at all that glitter. Love that. Oh, and this heart, these hearts came from the Lots of Hearts die plate, and I just put some around on there as well. Here goes the last little treat box, heart treat box. It is adorable. Look at that. It's just too cute. Too cute. I didn't finish the back side. I just layered it up there. Did not finish that, but so cute. I put the little ephemera on top, hugs and kisses. I also layered a few of the ephemera pieces back there, and then that's where I laid that doily die and inked that up as well, and then added the glitter on there. And then you just open it up by pressing the sides there, all your little treats in there, and it closes right back up on its own. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Well, that is all I have for you. Make sure you use one of our codes to get 15% off your total purchase starting tomorrow, 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, or if you're on my time, it's 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. you can go ahead and use my code MOE for 15% off your total purchase or any of the designers. Everyone's links will be down below. So if you want to go ahead and just kind of check out what you would like to buy tomorrow, I'll have the store linked down below as well. And there's also a YouTube and Instagram hop going on where you can win a $50 gift certificate toward the next release. And also check Emma's post for tomorrow to see if you were one of the winners for the hop from last month. All right, so that's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone, for stopping by. You all have a blessed and crafty day.